This analysis of the gold price. According to my earlier video, I predicted that there will be a rising of the gold price, but it has been rising for a certain time, but now for the last week we have a drop fall quite significantly here. So the question is whether we should stop the long of gold price and revert to the bearish side. Okay. Now the situation is we can look at the long-term picture. That's the weekly chart. It's been rising all the way that from here and up to here. Now you have a new trend forming. So we can see the new trend now. It's indeed forming. So it's not wise to keep on to long position. So in the near term, the trend coming down. Now we look at a support. You can see that's a nice support line here. So if the point is going to break, that would go to the downside. So you can see very clearly that is the change of trend. Now look at the port report. We have to keep an eye on the commercial. Commercials are the people who are really in a trade of gold, and you can see the point here. For most of the time, the commercials are selling gold. Only at this point that they have a nearly buying, but as you know, they stop the buying and mostly come back to the selling phase. This means for this, normally when this happens, the price will go up, and more the price goes up, more the commercials are selling. So, and you can see that there is a trend going up here. This means that it's a trend going down. This means they have stopped selling. Whenever they stop selling, the price goes down and they will look for another opportunity to buy. Then to look at the speculators. The large speculators, most of the time they're buying during this phase, and they are trend followers, so when they see the price going up, they would keep on buying and buying and buying, but now you can see that they're going to stop. They stop, and they try to reduce the buying. So all you know that gold price may have finished this phase of that bullet phase could have finished and now going down. Of course, they don't need the technical analysis based on charting, and I don't know much about the fundamental, about the supply and demand. But with insider information of the court report, I think this analysis could be quite accurate and valid. Thank you for listening.